Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, why don't you go ahead and push that subscribe button and turn notifications on so that you can be notified each time I drop a new video, which is like all the time. Before we dive into this video, I did want to remind each and every one of you that you do have a chance at this Sephora bag right here. Now, if you're wondering what is in this lovely bag, you can check in the description box and the link to that video will be there, along with all of the products that are on my face and all of the brushes that have been used in this video. So let's get it. Now, before we dive into any color, I wanted to talk a little bit about what I've already done. I've already put primer on my lids and I set with this new Cover FX translucent light setting powder, which is a product in the Sephora giveaway. So make sure that you're dropping comments like crazy girls so that you can win. All right, now we are going to dive into some colors. Today we are going to focus on these two colors that I have on. Now, I know you guys are looking at me like, girl, those colors do not match, but I'm going to show you how to make it work. All right, let's dive right in. So the first palette I'm going to be diving into is my Beauty Glazed palette, and I'm going to be taking the lightest of all of the shades, this pink color, and she is going to be popped directly into my crease as my transition color right here, and just build it up so that you can see that color really good. All right, now that we have laid that color down, we're gonna dive into that same palette, but we're gonna dive into the dark purple shade. We're just gonna dive into it. Yes, we are. With the same blender brush, we're just gonna focus this on the outer V. Now, before blending, we are going to take a small pencil brush and go into that same color and just really give it a little bit of detail. That I have all of that color placed exactly where I want it, I'm going to dive back into this Beauty Glazed palette, and I'm going to go into the far right corner and just put that in my transition color and blend it to perfection. Alright, now I'm going to add some concealer just to clear it up. Now this is the Maybelline Dream Lumi Stick in the shade Light. And I'm just going to dot it in the middle and work my way out. And I am going to go in with my concealer brush and just clean it up that much more and blend the edges. Alright, now that I am concealed, I'm going to be going into my Sleek makeup palette, and I'm going to be diving into this shimmery teal color, and I'm going to also be using my Morphe M330 brush. I'm just gonna pop this on my other lid really fast and I will be right back. While you're waiting, why don't you go ahead and press that subscribe button. Alright guys, now I am diving back into my Beauty Glaze palette, into that same red, and just blend out that lower lash to the gods. Yes, let's blend it to the gods. So I'm gonna drag it from the top into a C and pull it down. Alright, on this side, we're just gonna drag it down. And while I'm blending this, girls, like, comment and let me know if I'm slaying. Like, I wanna know. Now for an inner corner highlight, I'm going to be diving into one of my favorite palettes, the BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic palette. And I am going to be dipping into Milky Way because we're trying to keep it purple. And this one is just really screaming at me. So I'm going to be using a flat packing brush with this one. And I'm just going to put her in the inner corner and on my brow. Okay guys, I have snatched my wing liner off camera. If you are wondering how I achieved this twin sister look and not second cousins, the link for that video will be in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Now to prime my lashes, your girl is going in with another one of the products that is in the Sephora giveaway. So make sure that you are commenting, girl, because you're gonna want this little joy right here. We're just gonna prime this up real quick and then I'm going to pop on some falsies quickly off camera. Alright guys, the final step and final product of this tutorial is going to be the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lip in the color Ashton. Alright guys, super close up of the finished look. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today and watching me slay this look. If you like what you've seen today, give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below a heart eyes emoji to show your girl a little bit of love. I love spending every single moment that I can with you guys. So, until next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.